Hundreds of people camped out in Washington, D.C. for days hoping to get a ticket. Not to a concert or sporting event. They're hoping to get inside the Supreme Court chambers to witness the historic debate over health care. ABC's Karen Travers takes a look at both sides of this issue.
The bitter battle over health care has reached the Supreme Court. The Affordable Care Act is the signature legislation of President Obama's administration and the most controversial. The law requires all Americans to buy health insurance by 2014 or else pay a penalty. The central question for the Supreme Court is that mandate constitutional? And if it isn't, what does that mean for the rest of the law? 2 years ago, President Obama signed the legislation with great fanfare.
Health insurance reform becomes law in the United States of America.
But before the ink on his signature was dry, the legal fight began.
I'm confident that the court is going to declare the new health care reform law unconstitutional.
26 states filed suit. Their argument, Congress does not have the authority to force an individual to buy something. If the insurance mandate is constitutional, there's no limit to what the federal government can force Americans to do. But lawyers for the Obama administration say that Congress was well within its authority under the Commerce Clause. They'll argue that the millions of uninsured Americans pass on more than $100 billion in health care costs. And the mandate is the only way to finance something that everybody will need at some point in their life. Americans remain deeply divided.
I really believe it's something that the government has the power to regulate.
It will bankrupt our country, and it's an assault on freedom.
A new ABC News Washington Post poll found that 2/3 of Americans say they want the court to either strike down the entire law or the individual mandate. Karen Travers, ABC News, Washington.